Thanks to DiMM, we have faster, better, and cooler memory performance. Literally. DiMM makes it possible to access things stored on a computer. DiMM, or Dual Inline Memory Module, is a long, thin circuit board that transfers data from RAM chips to the computer. DIMMs are used in desktop PCs, laptops, printers, and other devices installed on the motherboard. DiMM evolved from SIMM, or Single Inline Memory Module, which only supports 32-bit data. While that was sufficient for early PCs, most memory modules today require 64-bit data connections to the motherboard, which DiMM supports. And as faster dynamic random access memory came onto the scene, a big and expensive problem emerged. The increase in chip density and clock speed also meant an increase in heat production. Thus, developers and engineers built DIMMs with cooling structures to help vent that heat into computer enclosures and away from the motherboard. SIMMs are nearly obsolete now. A single DIMM can transfer data twice as fast as two SIMMs installed in matched pairs. SIMMs also consume almost twice as much power.